for tuning into my channel. Today I'm going to show you a technique called the pinch method. This technique is great for beginners when creating Russian volume fans. Make sure to have a good quality pair of tweezers. The tweezer needs to close completely tight. The first step is having a comfortable grip with your tweezers. Find what works best for you. Slightly angle your tweezers so you can easily slide in and grab your eyelash extensions. Apply pressure with your tweezer and have a firm grip when holding the lash extensions. This prevents any loose lashes that may fall apart. Still having a tight grip, pull off the strip towards your chest. Next, with your thumb and index finger, you're going to pinch the base and keep your tweezer completely tight. After pinching the base, release pressure on the tweezer or pump your tweezer. Slightly roll your two fingers to manipulate the fan. There will be times when you're going to have some loose lash extensions, but don't worry, they will fall off. Make sure you pinch the base as fine of a point as you can. Okay, so we're going to do this again. Grab your lash extensions 1 centimeter from the base, pull towards your chest, roll your two fingers if you need, while releasing pressure slightly to create a fan. And like I said, do not worry about any of the extra lashes. Dip your fan 1.5 centimeters inside your adhesive dot. Be careful not to dip the base too deep. Excess glue can close your fan, and getting it just right will take some practice. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you. Comment any questions or ideas below for more videos. See you next time.